Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom in 2024. That's right, we're talking about making money while you sleep, building wealth without lifting a finger, well, not literally, and designing your dream life. Let's be real, nobody wants to work a 9-to-5 forever. We all dream of financial freedom, and these passive income strategies are your ticket to early retirement, epic vacations, or just plain old peace of mind. Let's get started. First up, we're talking about dividend stocks, one of my all-time favorite passive income strategies. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders on a regular basis. This is typically done quarterly, but some companies may pay dividends monthly or annually. The beauty of dividend stocks is that they provide a steady stream of income, which can be particularly appealing for those looking to supplement their retirement income or achieve financial independence. Now imagine this. You own a tiny piece of a massive company, and every quarter, that company sends you a check just for being a shareholder. This is money you didn't have to work for. Money that comes in while you sleep, while you're on vacation, or even while you're working your day job. It's a way to make your money work for you, rather than the other way around. That's dividend investing in a nutshell. It's a simple yet powerful concept. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of a company that shares its profits with you. Over time, these dividend payments can add up, providing a significant source of passive income. You're essentially getting paid to own a piece of something that's hopefully growing in value over time. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares can increase, and the dividends you receive can also grow. This creates a compounding effect where your investment grows both in terms of capital appreciation and income generation. It's like having your money work for you 24/7, generating a steady stream of income without you having to lift a finger. This is the essence of passive income. Unlike a traditional job where you trade time for money, dividend investing allows you to earn money passively. Your investments generate income around the clock, regardless of what you're doing. Of course, not all dividend stocks are created equal. Some companies have a long history of paying dividends, while others may have a more sporadic track record. It's important to do your research and choose companies that have a solid history of paying dividends consistently. Look for companies with strong financials, a competitive advantage in their industry, and a commitment to returning value to shareholders. You want to look for companies with a solid track record of paying dividends consistently, and even better, increasing those dividends over time. This is known as dividend growth. Companies that consistently increase their dividends demonstrate financial strength and a commitment to rewarding shareholders. Over time, these dividend increases can significantly boost your income and help you achieve your financial goals. Think of it like finding a tenant who not only pays their rent on time, but also gives you a bonus every year. This is the kind of reliability and growth you want in your dividend stocks. It's not just about the current dividend yield, but also the potential for future dividend growth. A company that increases its dividends regularly can provide a growing stream of income that keeps pace with, or even outpaces inflation. That's the beauty of dividend growth. It's a powerful way to build wealth over time. By reinvesting your dividends, you can buy more shares, which in turn generate more dividends. This creates a snowball effect, where your investment grows exponentially. Over the long term, this can lead to substantial wealth accumulation and financial security. You're not just keeping pace with inflation, you're actually outpacing it, building wealth and securing your financial future, one dividend check at a time. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you're creating a reliable and growing source of income that can help you achieve your financial goals, whether that's retiring early, traveling the world, or simply enjoying a more comfortable lifestyle. So, start exploring dividend stocks today and let your money make money for you. Now let's talk about real estate, the granddaddy of passive income. But hold on, I know what you're thinking. Graham, I don't have millions lying around to buy a skyscraper. And you know what? That's totally fine, because we're not talking about traditional real estate investing here. We're talking about real estate crowdfunding, the ultimate game changer for passive income seekers. With real estate crowdfunding, you can invest in large-scale commercial properties, apartment buildings, you name it, with as little as a few $100. It's like owning a sliver of a skyscraper, but without the hassle of being a landlord. You see, these crowdfunding platforms pool money from investors like you and me, and then they use that money to invest in carefully selected real estate projects. You get to enjoy the benefits of real estate ownership, like monthly rental income and potential property appreciation, without the headaches of managing tenants, fixing leaky faucets, or dealing with any of that stuff. Alright, moving on to the world of online education, where you can turn your knowledge and expertise into a passive income goldmine. I'm talking about creating and selling online courses. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What subjects light you up and make you excited to share with others? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would pay to learn? Maybe you have a knack for teaching complex topics in a simple way. It could be anything from photography to coding, from cooking to personal finance. The possibilities are endless. Whatever your area of expertise, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. And the best part? You don't need to be a world-renowned expert. As long as you have valuable insights and a passion for teaching, you can create a course that resonates with people. Once you've created your online course, it can generate passive income for years to come. You're essentially creating a digital asset that works for you 24/7, reaching a global audience and generating revenue while you sleep, travel, or just enjoy your life. Imagine waking up to see new enrollments and positive feedback from students around the world. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easier than ever to create, market, and sell your online courses. These platforms provide you with the tools and resources you need to turn your expertise into a thriving online business. They offer a range of features, from course creation tools to marketing and sales support, making the process seamless and efficient. You can focus on what you do best, teaching and sharing your knowledge, while the platform handles the technical aspects. Plus, with the rise of online learning, there's never been a better time to get started. More and more people are turning to online courses to gain new skills and knowledge, making it a booming market. So, take some time to brainstorm and outline your course content. Think about the structure, the key topics you want to cover, and how you can make your lessons engaging and interactive. Invest in good quality recording equipment and editing software to ensure your course looks professional. Remember, first impressions matter. Once your course is ready, don't forget to market it. Use social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Monitor your course's performance and gather feedback from your students. Use this feedback to improve and update your course over time. Creating and selling online courses can be a rewarding and profitable venture. So why not take the leap and share your knowledge with the world? You never know. It might just be the start of a successful online business journey for you. Now, let's dive into the world of peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending for short. This is where things get really interesting. With P2P lending, you become the bank, lending money directly to borrowers and earning interest on your investment. It's like cutting out the middleman, the traditional banks, and connecting directly with borrowers who are looking for loans. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors, allowing you to browse through loan listings, assess risk levels, and choose investments that align with your financial goals. You can diversify your portfolio by lending small amounts to multiple borrowers, mitigating risk and potentially earning higher returns than traditional savings accounts or CDs. Last but not least, we have affiliate marketing, one of the most accessible and potentially lucrative passive income streams out there. It's a strategy that has been embraced by countless individuals and businesses alike, thanks to its simplicity and effectiveness. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a complete beginner, affiliate marketing offers a pathway to financial freedom that is both flexible and scalable. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is all about recommending products or services that you love and earning a commission on every sale that you generate. This means you don't have to worry about creating your own products or handling customer service. Instead, you can focus on what you do best, sharing your knowledge and passion with your audience. Think of it like being a digital influencer, but instead of promoting fashion or lifestyle products, you're recommending products or services that align with your niche, your expertise, or your passions. This could be anything from tech gadgets to health supplements, from online courses to travel gear. The possibilities are endless, and the more targeted your recommendations, the more successful you'll be. Let's say you're a personal finance guru. You have a blog or a YouTube channel where you share tips on budgeting, saving, and investing. Your audience trusts your advice and looks to you for guidance on financial matters. You could partner with financial institutions, investment platforms, or even personal finance software companies as an affiliate, promoting their products or services to your audience. By doing so, you not only provide valuable resources to your followers, but also earn a commission for every referral that leads to a sale or sign-up. Every time someone signs up or makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The beauty of this model is that it allows you to generate income passively. Once you've set up your affiliate links and created your content, you can continue to earn money from it long after the initial effort. The key to success in affiliate marketing is authenticity and genuine recommendations. Your audience can tell when you're being sincere, and they're more likely to trust and act on your recommendations if they believe you're genuinely endorsing a product or service. Don't just promote any random product or service for the sake of earning a commission. This can backfire and damage your credibility. Instead, take the time to research and test the products or services you plan to recommend. Make sure they meet your standards and are truly beneficial to your audience. Focus on products or services that you genuinely believe in. Products or services that you would recommend to your best friend. By doing so, you'll build trust with your audience, and they'll be more likely to follow your recommendations, leading to higher conversion rates and greater earnings. Remember, in affiliate marketing, your reputation is your most valuable asset. Nurture it with care, and it will reward you with long-term success. Thanks for watching. If you found these passive income ideas helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and strategies. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and consistency. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Start small, experiment with different strategies, and find what works best for you. See you in the next video.